on that side?
No. Hey guys, it's Emily.
And Star. And welcome back to our channel. It's a spooky baking competition.
Yeah. We're gonna see who does the better cake.
And we're gonna try to do it Halloween theme. So we have a bunch of stuff right here that we're gonna be able to use.
Oh yes, I baked the cakes.
Yeah, she went ahead and did that for us, so we already have that ready. So we're just gonna go ahead and decorate them. I'm gonna use this. What are you doing?
I'm seeing.
Need a ruler? Don't push it down. You gotta stick one.
Let's push it.
You know what? I have an idea. No.
Oh my gosh, what'd you do?
Cut it in half.
Why?
Cause it's
You
gonna
did
be
it already?
spooky.
Yum.
Do you think it'll be bad if I just put it on top?
What are you gonna do with freaking? That's bread.
Bread or?
Spread.
Oh, I heard that's bread. I don't actually know what I'm doing. I'm just cutting. So do you have any ideas of what you're gonna do them?
Nope, I'm just gonna put stuff. You already did it. So.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? That's fine. Oh no, it's not going. It's not sticking. I mean, a little tip. It's not even working, but use buttercream to stick parts of your cake together. Oh, you know what? I need scissors.
Oh, I got you.
Oh, look, there's some bags in there too.
It's all famous, but still.
Thanks, Jaime. At my brother. Our brother. Mine.
It's mine. It's not even my brother. I'm adopted.
Okay.
I. Don't put that in
Carlos Bakery is shook.
Buddy is shook.
We are going for his brand. The more the merrier.
Interesting. The more the merrier.
Sure. Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye. She do me, she do you, she got the kind of. What are you gonna do?
I don't know, but.
I'm screaming at it.
Level it.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna put random dots.
So I definitely want to cover all of this with the color, but you know what? I'm going with this one. Dude, here, can you help me? Dude, that literally looks like wasabi all over your cake. I'm feeding you. I'm probably gonna use all of this.
Yeah, put all of it in here.
No, because I'm gonna use it all.
No, I'm gonna use them too.
No, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it. No, dude, I'm gonna use it.
What a beautiful.
I'm gonna use a little bit of it for It's okay, you know what? I'm destroying it too because it's gonna be part of it. This is all part of it. Baker's
It disappeared. What the heck? Did you not see the girl?
All my friends.
It disappeared. I don't know. I don't know where it went.
It's an avocado. Do you want to pass on your
I make the baked cakes. I make the best cakes out there. No!
Wait, I need to turn this around.
You're
That's a lot of work, so I'm just gonna pipe it from over here.
I put all the crumbs. Otra vez. I was in road history and this girl was, my teacher was like asking questions, right?
Ansky.
He was asking questions and he was giving us multiple choice and some girl was like, the smart girl was like, no, don't give us multiple choice. And I looked at her and I was like, we're not all as smart as you. And I said her name. And she looked at me and she's like, that's
too
not
bad.
my problem.
Oh.
Ay.
Sorry.
Eat it.
I don't think we can go
Mom,
Go away, dude. Mira. Where's the ketchup? Ketchup.
Ketchup on everything. Ketchup on everything. Ketchup, 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 ketchup on everything.
Oh my god, my hands are too slippery.
Oh, look at that. Billy, your scissors.
Oh. Should I take off the wrapper or should I leave them in the wrapper?
I don't know.
I think I should leave them in the wrapper.
No, dude, take it out.
No.
Should have taken them out, Billy. That looks better.
I asked you.
I told you, you're like, nah, I'm not gonna type.
I think I should leave them in the wrapper.
No, dude, take it out.
No.
You're running.
Bro, yours looks like a... It looks like a...
Yeah, I'm gonna be talking.
No, le pasa las tortillas, the chips, it looks like a dip.
It's like a guacamole. You might actually look like a freaking salsa. Freaking salsa. It's creepy. Freaky. ¿Dónde quiere kush? Kush. Cusco.
Pues Cusco.
Cusco.
Let's go.
Stop, bro.
Burning up.
Burning up. Freaking out.
Dude, I'm gonna end up with frosting all over the bed.
I just put this sheet yesterday. Mami, ¿se puede lavar esta sábana, verdad? Your finger fell. Hey guys, so we're done with our cakes, and in like midway of recording that, it had like stopped recording, but we just finished our cakes, and these are our cakes.
So Emily, you want to tell us a little bit about yours?
It melted right there. Nope, I just decorated with candy and hearts. And frosting.
Alright guys, so my cake, honestly, it was all over the place. But, okay guys, so my cake, I drew little I didn't draw. I put like little eyes. And this is supposed to be the teeth, like just little monsters, I guess. And then I put some bugs going down the cake. And on here, I just kind of added like, I don't know, it's like a castle, I guess. Because my cake was like literally falling down and this was the fences keeping them up. And then I got some random fingernails just going there. I don't know. And then it's just kind of like, I don't know, it's all over the place, but it's me, you know? It's literally me. Alright guys, so now we're going to cut the cake and we're going to go ahead and ask the little kids which ones they thought they were their favorites or which one they liked better. Alright, so we'll be right back. Alexander, which one do you like better? Which one? Why?
Because like the Halloween always says like blood, like the thing that's red.
I gotta ask my mom which she likes better now.
There you go. Alright guys, so we're gonna end it here.
We tied.
Yeah, we tied. We asked our family members out of here. And
two picked hers, two picked mine.
yeah.
And you're watching Disney Channel.
Dun, 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 dun.
Like and subscribe. Bye.